Hello everyone, today we are going to make a baby nest pillow. For this we need paper mold, fleece fabric, scissors, a ribbon, stuffing for filling, needle and thread. Let's use the paper mold first to cut an oval, which is going to be the form of the pillow. Over this mold we cut now the fleece fabric, sew the edge, leaving a little gap, which is the space where we are going to introduce the filling. And also we make a second sewing around, leaving a space to introduce the ribbon lace that is going around the pillow. Once the edge is sewed, we turn outside out the pillow. With the rest of the paper mold, let's make a little oval for the center of the pillow. Sew the center of the pillow, following the line of the paper mold. And when it's sewed, we can take the paper out. Now it's time to introduce the stuffing. Once the pillow is filled with the stuffing, we can sew the rest of the gap if necessary by hand with needle and thread. Now our pillow is done. If we want to reduce the size of the pillow, we pull the ribbon as much as needed until we get the desired size. Give us a thumb up if you like this video. Follow us, and thanks for watching.